right, so you've come out this morning and the inconvenience has happened. You have a dead battery. So what I'm going to show you is the proper way to use another car's battery to do what's called a jump start. All right, first thing you're going to do is bring the two cars close together. However, you do not want them to touch. You're going to take your battery jumper cables. Notice that there are 4 clamps. 2 are red, 2 are black. These correspond to what's called the positive and negative terminals on your automobile's battery. What we have here is a late model Chrysler product whose battery actually is hidden down under the fender well. So what you have are 2 attachment points clearly labeled, 1 positive, 1 negative. These are what we are going to utilize. On this car's battery, this is the car that has a good battery. On the battery you also have a positive and a negative. So what we need to do is first we are going to connect the positive cable, which is the red cable, to the positive terminal of the good battery. We're going to take the other one, the other red cable, connect it to the positive jump area provided by the manufacturer, and we just clamp it right on that post. All right, the next connection is the negative or ground side of the system. On the good battery, we are going to again connect directly to the terminal. And on this style, we're going to utilize, again, the manufacturer's connection point for the negative cable. All right, you may sometimes see just a little spark. That's okay. All right, so at this point, we have our vehicles connected. Now what we have to do is start this car. Once we have our vehicle with the good battery running, we can now attempt to start this one. Depending upon how dead your battery was, you may want to let this one run for a couple minutes. That will transfer some power into the weaker battery. We now have both of them running. What we have to be careful of is when we disconnect to keep these 2 cable ends from touching. So we're going to remove the negative of one and the positive, holding them apart, remove the negative, and then the second positive. All right? That's all there is to it.